Hi guys, it's ASBYT and this is the 50-inch E7 4K TV. And one of the most impressive things about it is its price. A 50-inch TV available currently right now for around just £500, which I think is pretty great indeed. So the E7 is Hisense's latest foray into the entry-level gaming TV market. It has what's known as quantum dot technology, which simply put means it can produce images with a wider range of colour, more shades and more hues. So potentially a more accurate picture, or at least closer to the director or creator of the program's initial intentions. 4K resolution available here, and there is also a UHD AI upscaling feature which can enhance non-4K signals to a near 4K image, so your full HD programs, for example, should appear slightly higher res. Yes, this isn't the absolute best image quality you'll find on a TV today when comparing it to top premium high-end models that of course cost thousands of pounds, but entry level for this sort of price range I think is pretty darn good. You have AI picture optimization technology, which can recognize 11 real-time scenarios, including sports, landscapes, and faces, for example. And it has Dolby Vision HDR, so up to 40 times brighter highlights and 10 times darker blacks. Although in a well-lit room, it could be a little bit brighter. In direct sunlight, it's not ideal for sure, but for general use, bedroom, lounge, etc., evening time, it should be more than bright enough for you. If you're looking to watch sport or game on this TV, then there are specific dedicated modes that could benefit you. Firstly, there is what's known as smooth motion, which can identify fast-moving objects and adjusts the pixels accordingly for clear motion, reducing trails and a juttery image. Again, is this TV the absolute pinnacle for sports? No. Does this mode help with that sort of content? Absolutely. When gaming on the E7, there is a dedicated mode which can reduce input lag to as little as 16 milliseconds, ideal if you're looking to get a kind of one-stop shop and not a separate monitor as well for gaming. Again, it's not perfect here, but it should be more than good enough for most gamers. In terms of ports, we have 3 HDMI 2.0 ones and a pair of USB Type A ports, one 2.0 and one 3.0. Optical audio out, and it's got your antenna connectors and an Ethernet port, etc. as well. The overall design is pretty nice again. Its appearance is not the most cutting edge, but its top and side bezels are really nice and thin, with a slightly larger bottom bezel which houses the Hisense text. And you have these legs as well if you decide to set it up on a TV cabinet, for example, and not mount it on the wall. Now the remote is nothing fancy, but it does the job, providing you with all the key features and designated buttons for things like YouTube and Netflix. And with it you can easily scroll around the UI. This VIDA Smart 5.0 software has a very simple and easy to use layout, with again shortcuts to things like Amazon Prime Video embedded within. And yes, while I might prefer something a little bit more feature rich, remember the price. You also have Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant compatibility, so if you use those platforms, then this could be another plus for you. The EG7 is TÜV Low Blue Light and Product Privacy Protection certified, and it has Dolby Atmos compatibility, so all in all, it's pretty compelling. Quite simply, you have to look at this TV in the price bracket that it's in. Yes, there are definitely things that could be improved here, and it's not the perfect TV for everybody, but again, at this price point, I think it's pretty hard to beat. Is this the best budget TV so far of 2021? It might be, but let me know what you think in the comments below. And I apologise for that random high-pitched end to that sentence before. Seems like I'm a teenager again. I'll leave it in the edit. It's all a laugh, innit? All the information for this TV will be left in the video description below, so if you are interested, go through and check it out. Drop a like on the video if you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Subscribe if you're new to the channel and love everything tech. I love you and leave you. I'll see you in the next one. It's ASBYT. Peace out.